What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can make a whole lot more money while spending a lot less time in your digital marketing agency, leveraging GoHighLevel and GoHighLevel's SaaS mode. And this is actually exactly what I did with my own custom real estate software company. And I want to share it with you guys because this is absolutely a game changer if you have not seen this yet. So if you guys know my background, I had my own real estate CRM, and one of the primary offers that we offer to clients was Facebook ads to generate more leads for our real estate clients. Now, the thing is, when you're going through and running Facebook ads, one big pain point is actually going through and getting access to a client's Facebook ad account, getting it connected to your business manager. And then from there, you have to go through, even if you have the copy and paste templates, you have to copy and paste it one by one into the Facebook ads manager. And it just takes quite a bit of time. And then if you're going the self-serve route and trying to go and focus on GoHighLevel SaaS mode, sell your software as a service, a lot of times people just get stuck and lost in the weeds when you're going through and showing them how to set everything up inside of Facebook Ads Manager, even if you've given them all the copy and paste templates and simplified it as much as possible. So what we did is, with our software company, we built out a simple way that inside of our software, they could just connect to Facebook, and then we had all the pre-built Facebook ad templates inside of the software so they could get everything set up in just 3 clicks. Now, that there has been pretty much no one else doing that in any of the space. Until now, there's a software called Uphex I want to share with you guys. If you're leveraging GoHighLevel to run your digital marketing agency, or if you're tapping into the GoHighLevel SaaS mode, to be able to offer this service as a self-serve service to your clients, to be able to simplify the whole Facebook ad setup so you can generate more leads for your clients, or they can generate more leads for themselves. So basically what Uphex is it's a simple integration into GoHighLevel. And I'm going to show you guys how to set this all up here in just a second. Plus, I'm going to show you guys my proven Facebook ad templates, how you guys can get them, everything from A to Z. And so it's a white labeled Facebook ad setup. And the cool thing is if we pull up, let's just pull up my GoHighLevel account. So it's just going to pop it up. Down here is just another menu tab item. And so super simple to go through and integrate everything into there. And so with Uphex right here, which I'm going to have a link down below in the description as well as in the top comment that you guys can go through, sign up, get a free 14-day trial. Plus, I'm going to show you guys some extra bonuses that if you guys sign up with my link down below, then I'm going to hook you guys up with as well. So you can come in here and see all of the different template libraries as far as Facebook ad templates they already have pre-built. So you can pretty much think of any industry out there: hair salon, HVAC, landscaping, massage, med spa. They've already got all of those in there. And I know a lot of you guys that follow me, you know you're in the real estate space, mortgage space, and I've actually gone through and uploaded my own real estate Facebook ad templates that we use with all of our clients to go through and just make this even simpler. So if we click on real estate right here, you can see we've got the free report, increase home value, and this is named wrong. We got to fix that name. Then we've got the open house. And so what I can do is come over here, let's say the open house template right there. I can just come in and just share this template with you so you have this automatically imported into your software. And so now when your clients sign up on your GoHighLevel SaaS platform, they can go through and have this template that's already pre-built, already done for them, and get this whole thing set up in just a couple of clicks. Okay, so if you think about it, if you're selling like a done-for-you service and setting up the Facebook ads for your clients, this saves so much time because you don't have to go through and add their Facebook ad account to their business manager. And then once you get that all added, you don't have to go into the Facebook ad manager, actually go through step by step, copy and paste everything over, make sure it's all set up right. This is literally already pre-built, pre-done for your clients. Okay. And so as far as like if you're selling a done-for-you service, super easy to go through, save a ton of time, and so your fulfillment is significantly less. Or if you're selling a self-serve option, this is just a simple way for clients to go through, pay a little bit less, but just do it themselves and still be able to have success without getting stuck in all the weeds of everything that goes into actually setting up a Facebook ad campaign. So I wanted to show you guys how simple this is to go through and integrate with your GoHighLevel account here really quick. So basically all you do is just take this link and you just copy this, okay? So we're over here. This is just on like the onboarding section. So we just copy this. Then we come over here into your GoHighLevel account and we come down here to settings. And then from settings, we go over here to custom menu link. And then we're just going to add a custom menu link. We'll just click create new right there. Super easy right here. We got the URL. We're just going to say paste it right in there. And then we can have a link icon if we want. But then we could just say something like Facebook add, something like that. So we want to show the link on the agency sidebar, show the link on all account sidebar, show to all accounts. Okay, iframe inside that, and we'll just hit, we don't need to show on the agency sidebar. We'll just hit save right there. Okay, oh, it requires an icon. So we'll just put the YouTube, even though that makes zero sense. We're just gonna put it in there for right now. So now we come over here, and if we come over here, we've already got, we didn't even have to refresh. So if we click on this, this is already everything pre-built, embedded into the GoHighLevel system. And so now it's just gonna ask me, okay, connect to Facebook, and then it's gonna pull in my Facebook ad account, connect everything, and then it's gonna have all the templates that you've already pre-built into your template library right here. So what you could do is say, hey, you wanna go in, and let's say you're like not in the real estate space like me. These are my templates that are gonna show up in here for my clients. But if you want to say, hey, I work with attorneys, you click on this right here, and then you can go over here, click on this right here, and just say import to my account. So you click import to my account, it comes over to the my template section, and now all of your clients will be able to see those new templates, right? Or you can come over here, create custom templates if you're like a Facebook ads ninja and you already know what you're doing and all that good stuff. And then on top of that, I'm kind of nerding out on this right now. So if you guys want to bear with me here for a second, come over here to client metrics. So we click on client metrics, and this is just a demo account. I don't have clients in here, but this is where you'd be able to see every single one of your clients. So you don't have to go into their Facebook ad account, see how things are performing. You'll be able to see the spend, the impressions, the clicks, cost per click, cost per lead, everything from A to Z. And then you have the template metrics, which this is really cool, because the cool thing about this, if we have, for example, come back over here to my templates, the real estate template, if a bunch of people are running open houses, we can see the overall average of the metrics across the country or across the world of this specific template. So now when you go sell that next client, you can say, hey, yeah, we have this template. On average, people are getting, $4.67 leads. And we have this metrics. We have all this data in here that you guys can literally have access to the same exact template. It makes it an easy selling point, right? And then you have the ad metrics. And then as far as, I just thought of a question you probably already have, is when you're setting up these Facebook ads, you can set them up as Facebook lead form ads, which I recommend for all of my clients because that's just what we've seen work best in the real estate space. But then you can also set up the Facebook Messenger ads. And so all this stuff is when you're going through and creating templates, you can go through and say, hey, what type of ad do you actually want to set up, right? And so anyway, this is super simple. Like I said, and instead of going through, getting access to their ad account, adding it to your business manager, going into the business manager and accessing it and all of the different things, it's already, you just log into their account, or you have them first log into their account, they connect to Facebook, and then from there, you're good to go. You don't have to go through and get access to their ad account and connect to business manager or anything like that. You're set up, ready to go, and you're off to the races. So anyway, guys, if you guys want to go through and check this out, there's going to be a link for a free 14-day trial down below in the description, as well as in the top comment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook you guys up, for everyone that signs up with my link, with all of my real estate Facebook ad templates, my mortgage templates. And then you can see over here, we've got a massive template library of all these different Facebook ad templates, depending on what space you're in. You got obviously solar, regenerative medicine, restaurants, all these different things to go through and get started. Just have another offer to go through and simplify what you're already offering. And then also, if it's on the self-serve side, be able to go through and simplify the whole setup for all of your clients. So anyway, guys, I hope that was helpful. With that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.